Hey guys! Welcome to my vlog. I'm Gladys Villaroja and this is my journey. I'm with my child here today at the boulevard. And actually is, diretso na time, nagkagubot ng duha. Nagwarla-warla na po siya. Because he wants to delete this video but actually is, I like to take a video actually. So this vlogging for the reason is, this is for my happiness, my memories. Why magbuot ko, mag-English ko, mag-Tagalog or whatsoever, I'll do my own business, okay? So I'll let you tour around here, Boulevard, what's to look like. And don't mind my face at all, okay? So I'd rather not so much wearing or putting a makeup at all because I love to be simple. So nice view. So there is a child there or children wants to flying, okay? And yeah, mawala dyan ni inyong makita. Naadlok pa ako kay adto ako mambak pud akong anak. So I let you tour around here what they selling. So they are mainly seashells. Actually dili kong pataka og okay, mo eat of seafoods because I was fasting. Now we are stopping by here at the street food. So he wants to buy corn dog, okay? And after eating corn dog, we need to look for something, another food. So this is the boulevard look like. Yes, so nice, you know. Mura ma-ignorante po ka. Pero while you're eating, you see the nice view there. See? So kami, malipayon. O, we having fun together. During a time, so kung siya na, he is asking me like, why are you taking a video, mommy? So I just said like, just having fun, you know. So we have to enjoy our day. A simple day for me and my child. So
Ikot yung nice view lang. I let you share my shake. But mommy, give me a more fish ball. And then it's spicy. You drink. Spicy. Spicy. Yummy.
thank you for watching for my video vlog. So yeah, just do your own business, monkey. Bye.